up? Sigung. Welcome to my channel where I teach my personal martial art of Bagua Kuntao Silat. Today we're going to work on palm and footwork drill number 4. This is a simple drill, except internally you'll be moving in a way that's actually more difficult than the previous 3 drills. And you'll see what I'm saying when you actually start performing the drill. However, this is an excellent drill to help you throw more effortlessly, especially while you're striking, and avoid being thrown or make it more difficult for you to be thrown when someone is attempting to throw you. And it emphasizes stepping and palm strikes. We'll be working at a higher level, and it prepares you, like all my other drills and everything else that works together, for intermediate level or swimming green dragon Bagua Kuntao Silat level. That's our intermediate to advanced level movement and activities. Approach your square, stand at the back edge just like here, and we're going to emphasize certain things. As usual, you stand relaxed, sewn, rooted, sunk into the ground. We're going to use crane stepping throughout, and we're going to emphasize certain things that have become readily apparent, such as you bring your knee up, right, do the step to the corner, and before it finishes, or as it finishes, you're turning and pointing to the rear corner right here. What you're doing is emphasizing maintaining that root while you're completing the strike, spiraling, turning your waist, and sinking as you complete the strike to the 180 degrees you've created from here, as if this would be there and you're facing this way. But you want to be able to do it while you're maintaining root. This drill teaches that. Like I said, it looks easy. It's deceptively difficult, but when you relax and practice, it becomes easy and second nature. You should have been working on my previous circling the square drills to help you with this movement. Also, my warm-ups will help you be able to perform this movement. So, to see it again, very simple. And for the next one, you stand up, wipe, step, turn, and complete again as if you're doing a 180. If you can't do the 180 right away, that's fine. You just go to the limits of your movement, relax, and hold it there. The more you practice this drill, the more you'll be able to stretch, maintain your root, and stay relaxed. You're exercising your joints and helping to move your body in a way that's going to help you strike with more force, maintain your root while in combat, and move in a manner that's fluid and deceptive to your opponent. They won't see the throws coming. They won't see the strikes coming. You'll be able to move continuously with a flow and strike at full power from any position when you work these drills properly. So we'll see it again. Again, your palm is directly over that corner of the square, and you're turning in this way, facing. Head looking directly through the thumb and forefinger of your striking palm. This elbows guarding, and you're doing this way. And to see how this works, turning and completing here. So when this comes up, crane step, out, turn, and you're finishing the strike. 180, same way, looking through here and looking out. You'll see as we do this drill, you're going to do this drill around the square, so you can do it continuously and understand how this moves. This is a throw with a strike. And if you've been working my previous drills with striking palm, you've learned it's now you're learning how to move this while you're turning with that and completing a throw with the strike with different positioning, different approaches. You're also learning that we always do our lower body with our upper body, hence the emphasis on raising the knee and stepping out. That gives us more options. That also helps you maintain root and balance so that you can, for instance, if you're entering and you need to do the kick, your foot's already here. And you're learning, as we need to in this system, kick forward when moving so you can take up space and do that entry. So it's step. I showed you slowly so you can see it. But you also want to be able to do it while you're striking. So it's, and remember, the strike is almost completed. And then when it's finished and you're extended, you're turned that 180. My next video, I'll show applications from this drill, but there are many more. I'll show the next level basic applications, of course, and there are others that will come about as you learn later and go to intermediate level, advanced level of swimming green dragon, and up to white cloud bagua, the very advanced level, mostly internal level. So, but it begins here before you can move to those levels. So we'll see it again. And we're back where we started. Did it slow and easy so you could see it. As you relax, learn to maintain root while you're moving, especially on one foot, and extend yourself while you're sinking and turning, maintaining that spiral energy and learning how to move that energy from your center out and use the ground as your support so you're stuck. So you have that incoming energy there and you're just sunk and you can't be moved. Makes for extremely powerful strikes, very steady throws, so you won't be thrown over with them. This is not a competition. You want to be able to maintain standing on your feet while you make the throw. And we strike while we're going in. We also strike when we're moving back or to the sides laterally or in any angle or direction. But we want to be able to also kick and throw while we're doing those strikes, or before or after, or any time the need arises. This drill will help with that, much as in my previous 3 drills for palm and footwork on the square. The 4th drill, like I said, it will force you to get root while you're extending your spiraling and increasing your range of movement and maintain your balance and also see the possibilities. Of course, we're going to start on our right side. We'll do it again, a little more fluidly, not quite as slow so you can see it. As you can see, the footwork pattern in this particular drill is simpler than in the previous drill. However, what's more complicated, more difficult to do is controlling your center while you're extending your power outward and spiraling and using your waist and extending while maintaining root and moving from one foot to the other while also maintaining your center and balance. That's why this is the lower body. It's far simpler, but a lot more is going on with your structure. You're learning how to master your structure and your center more completely let's do a brief review of what the lower body looks like when you're stepping on this. It's crane step, out, down, crane step, turn, down while you turn, crane step, 45 degrees to the corner, crane step, turn, crane step, turn. So you're stepping 45 degrees each time and learning how to rotate on your feet while maintaining your root and controlling your center and coiling and uncoiling your structure while also extending that structure and moving in ways that's not how you normally move, but you need to acquire and be able to use that serpentine body. Back where you started. Now, the difficult part comes in when you've inserted upper body movement with that. And to show how that works with the previous lower body work, and how that works is every time you step, make that strike, and you finish uncoiling and moving 180 degrees from your front and finish that strike there. 90% of your strike to 95 is right here. Then it's finished that last bit by uncoiling, turning, and dropping your weight. Notice my spine when I'm here pushes and undulates that last bit out. So comes up, and the 180 you see at the corner. That's it. Do it on both sides. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And my next video will show you applications from this drill.